Hello, welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 advice for natural muscle building. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. When it comes to physique improvements, muscle building is often a top priority. Added muscle mass will increase the definition of your muscles, improve your lean body mass, and add bulk and size to your frame in all the right places. Muscle growth takes time, persistence, and a long-term commitment to the process. While gaining large amounts of muscle may seem daunting, with proper training programs and adequate consumption of certain foods, serious muscle building is possible for most people. This video breaks down everything you need to know when it comes to building muscle, including how to work out, what to eat, and recovery protocols. So stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Decide your target number of repetitions. The repetition continuum is a useful concept when designing training programs for muscle building. Stimulating muscle growth requires performing weight training exercises with an amount of weight that only allows you to perform 1 to 20 repetitions. In general, the repetition continuum states that weights you can only lift for a few repetitions tend to build more strength, weights you can lift for 6 to 12 repetitions tend to build more muscle, and weights you can lift for 12 to 20 repetitions tend to increase muscular endurance. Understand that these ranges will have some crossover, meaning that 3 repetition sets with the respective weight will cause some muscle growth, 8 repetition sets will build some strength, and 20 repetition sets will build muscle as well. Additionally, recent research suggests that different individuals may respond better to lower or higher repetition ranges when it comes to building muscle. To put it simply, depending on who you are, your muscles may grow more with lower reps using heavy weights, or with high reps using lighter weights. Number 4. Choose the right amount of weight. In all cases, the weight must be heavy enough that performing much more than 20 reps is impossible. The weight you choose to use should leave you at or near failure on your specified number of repetitions. For example, if you're performing a set of 10 repetitions, by the 10th repetition, you should be unable or nearly unable to perform another repetition. You should rarely have more than 2 reps in the tank by the end of a set if your goal is building muscle. The overall implication of the repetition range continuum is that you should go through different phases of training using different repetition ranges to see what gives your body the most muscle growth. Number 3. Nutrients for building muscle. For sustainable muscle gain without excess fat gain, you want to eat 300 to 500 calories per day above your baseline needs. Many factors affect your baseline calorie needs, also known as your total daily energy expenditure, or T. These factors include your age, sex, current lean body mass, physical activity, occupation, and underlying medical conditions. Your best bet is to use an online calculator to estimate your calorie expenditure based on the data you input. Once you have this baseline expenditure, add 300 calories to establish your daily calorie goal. When it comes to nutrients for building muscle, protein is the top priority. Recent research suggests that those training to gain muscle should eat around 0.72 grams of protein per pound, 1.6 grams per kilogram, of body weight per day. When it comes to choosing what foods to eat, a registered dietitian can advise you specifically. Nevertheless, eating a variety of protein sources is probably your best bet. In terms of your carb and fat intake, the recommendations are more varied. You need dietary fat to ensure optimal hormone functioning, among other things. Recent bodybuilding research suggests consuming 0.22 to 0.68 grams of fat per pound, 0.5 to 1.5 grams per kilogram, of body weight per day. If you tend to prefer fattier foods, start on the higher end of that range and adjust from there. The rest of your daily calories should come from various carb sources. To calculate this, multiply your daily protein goal by 4 and your daily fat intake goal by 9, as protein has 4 calories per gram and fat has 9 calories per gram. This will establish how many calories you'll be consuming from protein and fat. Number 2. Don't always go hard. Your body should move every day, but that doesn't mean your workouts should take you to fatigue and exhaustion. If you train your hardest every day, your body doesn't get a chance to grow. Pick your spots to attack. Aim to finish every workout feeling good, not dead. Limit your weight room workouts to 12-16 total sets of work, and never go beyond that. This doesn't mean you can't take on a brutal workout every so often. But limit workouts that take your body to its breaking point to 3 times a week, never on back-to-back days. You need recovery to grow. Constantly training to the point of exhaustion will be counterproductive to the recovery you need for muscle growth. Number 1. Stay away from stress. Yes. You might not notice, but daily stress can affect your muscle building. Actually, being stressed impacts all parts of your body, but if you want to increase your muscle mass, you should be calmer. When someone says stress destroys your body, you may think it means a big problem in your life or a really hard situation, but that's not the only thing that can harm your body. Even daily concerns can be considered as stress. Sleep disorders can increase stress levels. Be sure to have at least 6-7 hours of comfortable sleep. Sleep is vital for athletic performance and recovery. A crucial muscle building hormone is released during deep sleep. It also gives your muscles a chance to relax. Gaining muscle requires a commitment to both resistance training and following an appropriate diet. Workout programs for building muscle should primarily rely on compound and isolation movements with weights, but adjust the specific exercises, sets, and repetitions to ensure consistent, long-term gains in both muscle size and strength. Proper nutrition involves sufficient protein, fat, and calorie intakes that exceed your daily energy expenditure enough to build muscle, but not so drastically as to cause excess fat gain. Large increases in muscle mass take months to years of consistent training but are possible for most individuals. Overall, to reach your muscle building goals, you must lift hard, eat right, and stay consistent. How many of these tips were you aware of before watching this video? Do you know more practical tips to help the natural muscle gain process? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.